what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. And you guys, definitely trust the process with this one, because when I first hop on camera with it, you guys are going to be like, but this is the best that I could do, you know, to my full potential, and I think it looks pretty good. Orange hair is always a favorite. I did want to put dark roots, but I was like, you know what, this is different. Please excuse the sound you hear, because that's Bryson. He's gonna squeal and make noises. He's fine though. So the company I'm working with today is called Incolorwig Wig, and they did send me this gorgeous Body Wave 24-inch orange wig. So pretty interesting. So I don't want to prolong the video. I am gonna just talk about a couple of things. Shipping took about 3-4 days. It was via FedEx, and I got it pretty fast, probably 3 days actually, so no issues there. Shedding and tangling thus far, I haven't gotten any, honestly, and the hair is really colored nice, so I really like it. I think it complements my skin tone, and it's just making me feel like really warm, and it's giving me pumpkin spice vibes. So let me know you guys' thoughts in the comments about this unit. Now let's just hop into this tutorial.